How to travel with kids like a pro, a complete guide. Traveling with toddlers can be a challenging and often stressful experience, but with a little planning and preparation, it can also be a fun and rewarding one. Plan ahead, plan early and look into booking a hotel room with a kitchenette so that you can prepare meals for your child if they are picky eaters or have specific dietary needs. Pack smart, make sure to bring enough clothes, diapers, and other essentials for your child along with a few of your child's favorite toys, books, or comfort items to keep them entertained during the trip. A portable changing mat and a travel potty can also come in handy. Bring snacks and water, pack some of your child's favorite snacks and drinks, as well as a sippy cup or straw cup for your child. Don't forget to carry some water and healthy snacks as well. Keep your child entertained, bring books, games, and small toys that your child can play with during the trip. A tablet or smartphone loaded with kid-friendly apps and videos can also come in handy. Bring a stroller or baby carrier. A stroller or baby carrier can be a lifesaver when traveling with a toddler. It allows you to navigate easily and also provides a comfortable place for your child to rest and nap. Be prepared for naps. Make sure to pack your child's favorite blanket or stuffed animal and make sure they have a comfortable place to nap during the trip. Be prepared for emergencies. Make sure you have emergency contact information with you. It's also a good idea to have a first aid kit and any necessary medications on hand in case of an emergency. Make sure your child is comfortable. Pay attention to your child's comfort during the trip. Dress them in comfortable clothing, and pack extra layers for temperature changes. Be patient and have a flexible schedule. Remember that traveling with a toddler can be a trying experience, and things may not always go as planned. Keep in mind that your child is likely to be tired, hungry, or just plain grumpy, so try not to take it personally. Be a little flexible with your schedule and be prepared to adjust your itinerary if needed. By following these tips and being prepared for the unexpected, you'll be better equipped to handle any challenges that may arise during your trip and make the most of your time together as a family. Happy parenting!